Hey everyone, this is Mr. Kakate. I am doing a kind of like walkthrough tutorial video on, not really a walkthrough, more of a how-to video on completing this IXL. So just so you can see the topic, it is level K. It's level K G.1. Okay, so I'm doing level K G.1. So this is choosing the best topic sentence that will capture the main idea. So I want to look for common themes within the sentences that were given. Okay, so I'm reviewing the details. Cell phones can be used to cheat on tests by sending answers to friends or by accessing the internet. Texting during class is like passing notes and is a waste of time. Okay, so we got two things kind of connecting cell phones to kind of school stuff. If cell phones aren't properly silenced, they can interrupt classroom activities. And let me actually just zoom in a little bit. Okay, so that means kind of looking at like cell phone disruptions. Cell phones in the classroom can have a negative impact on student learning. That looks like a good one. There are many legitimate arguments for allowing students. Doesn't really say that. Cell phones have become a near constant presence at school at home. Might be true, but this is really about the impact. Okay, another one. So, modern refrigeration has reduced the number of foodborne illnesses and has allowed fresh foods to be transported long distance. Okay, so talking about refrigeration. The Royal Society named the refrigerator the most important invention in the history of food, followed by all that. So again, kind of pumping up refrigerators. Prior to refrigeration, ancient civilizations depended on root cellars, collected ice, and all that stuff. Right, so it's kind of saying fridges are pretty dope. The modern refrigerator went through many versions, and it doesn't talk about anything about versions. The invention of the modern refrigerator revolutionized the process. Yep, this looks pretty good. Ancient civilizations used no, there's only the last one that talks about ancient civilizations. Okay, so I'm picking that one. Do one quick one. Actually, I'm gonna go up to a more difficult one. Okay, so now we're in the other level, so slightly higher. Once you get to 60, it might be a little bit more difficult. The Louvre houses the stone pillar on which the ancient code of Hammurabi is written. The Venus de Milo is one of the Louvre's most well-known sculptures. Alright, so I've already seen the Louvre twice here. And they're talking about different exhibits. Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa draws millions of visitors each year. Okay, not exactly sure what that's going on about that one because it doesn't say the Louvre, but it looks like all of them are about the Louvre because they all have the answer, the Louvre. So let's see what they are. The Louvre, Paris' most famous art museum, oops, I didn't mean to click that, but is home to some of the world's most famous masterpieces. This seems like it might be good because it's talking about famous masterpieces. The Louvre current art represents more than 11,000 years of human history. I don't see anything about how long it's been. The Louvre is home to an important collection of paintings. There's a sculpture here though, and this is like something that's written, so that one's out. So it is that first one. Okay, so I'm just going to go through those three. I want to keep this kind of quick, so try to use those strategies of just identifying the trend or the theme that's coming up within those sentences that combines to give you the a good topic sentence. And also use the read aloud, especially if that helps you. Use the read aloud because that can go a long way. Okay, the little speaker thing, usually you can click on it. All right.